Likas na sa ating mga Pinoy ang pagkahilig sa mga local and international films patungkol sa mga paborito nating characters and superheroes. Kaya naman perfect talaga ang isang pre-movie night that will satisfy our film cravings.
Well, actually, this media movie block screening, it's a yearly event that we do just to say thank you to our media friends. Bali, we organize this. They can attend, they can unwind for the week, and there's no other way of saying thank you but to let them enjoy, themselves with their families and friends. What else can represent, the youngsters, but the unity, heroes. So it's also a blockbuster hit. That's why it's a movie that we've shown.
Grabe, speechless ako kasi sobrang ganda.
Like, no words to explain. You really have to watch the movie. Like, you really, really have to watch the movie.
Sobrang worth it. Exciting talaga, exciting.
It's all worth the wait.
Movie marathon, movie date, movie night, o kahit ano pa man ang itawag natin dito, tunay na ang pagmamahal natin sa mga pelikula ay hindi matatawaran. The curtain is out, the screens are in. Pop culture now showing.